Let's find out how to remove the background in a photo using Canva. The method is the same whether you are using a phone or a laptop. First, if you want to open your Canva app. If you want to remove the background from any photo, you will need to have Canva Pro. But don't worry, you can get a free trial and then just cancel it before the period ends if you don't want to pay for it. Then go ahead and create a design, where I will be choosing the YouTube thumbnail design. After that, you will need to go and upload the photo you want to delete the background from, where you can click either camera or upload, which can be found in the bottom of the Canva app. I will just use this random picture I found for free use, but you can use any photo. When you have clicked the photo you want to use, it starts uploading, which will only take a few seconds. Then in the bottom you can see the background remover, which you simply want to click to remove the background from the photo. That is how you remove the background from any photo. If it helped you out, please be sure to leave a comment and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.